Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we'll be drawing Metal Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. So I'm going to start off with a Sharpie fine point marker, but you're welcome to follow along with a pencil. Now I want to begin in the center page with the nose. So let's start with a curve across the edge, going up and down from left to right. And then from the ends, we want to bring this down towards a point, like a V. Come down, and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw the top edge of the muzzle. Starting on the left, go up, across the top of the nose, and then down. Now I just want to bend this across and then up towards the cheeks. Now there's two little hinges and bolts across the cheeks. So on the left side, I'm going to draw an oval, coming down and then up. Let's go to the inside of that oval, curve the head, coming down just underneath the tip of the nose and then back up. Let's go to the top of those ovals, bend the eyes, going out and then up towards the top. And then from the top, bend this down and then in towards the center, just on top of the muzzle. Round this out, go out and then up towards the right side. Now I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, let's draw a half oval. Coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's trace the eyes along the inside to create a ring. Now we're going to fill the inside of the eyes in black, including the center of those ovals. From the top of the eyes, we're going to step up. We're going to curve the ears, going up and then in. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the top, bend the ears, going up and then out towards the tip. Let's bend the ears, coming back down and then in towards the bottom. Now I want to trace the ears along the sides. So stepping in, just follow that same curve, going up toward the top and then bending that back down towards the inside. Let's go to the inside point, bend the ears, going up and then in. And then from the tip of the ears, we're going to bring this all the way down towards the inside. Let's add that point in the center. Starting from the top of the left ear, bend this up, then in towards the middle, round this out, go across, and then bend that down towards the right. Now from the bottom of the ear, we're going to step up, curve the head, coming down, and then curl that out. From the outside, bend this down and then in behind that bolt. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw a circle in the center of the body, just leaving a gap underneath the chin, going all the way around and then up. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center and we'll fill that in black. Now I want to add some texture inside that circle. Starting from the top, draw a straight line coming all the way down. Go across from left to right. I'm going to add another line in between each. Now we're lining up the side of the circle. Let's go up underneath the head. We're going to curve the shoulders, coming down and then out toward the side. Bend this out and up. Let's add another curve, going out and up towards the ends. Then from the side, angle is up and in underneath the head. Let's connect these two bottom points of the shoulders with the body, coming down, go across, and then up towards the right. Now I want to step down and draw on the hips. Let's round this out. Come down and in towards the middle, round at the bottom, go up towards the right side. Along the bottom of the hips, we're going to draw a half circle, going around and up, line it up on the right side. Let's go to the bottom of the half circle, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. And I'm going to layer that armor on top. From here, bend this out and then up towards the top. Step over and draw another straight angle line along the outside of the legs. Let's add some texture in the legs with 2 curves. And from the top, I'm just going to bend this around and then down towards the bottom. On the bottom, we're going to draw a large circle for the hinge. Let's trace that circle along the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the inside of the leg, bend this around and then out in behind that circle. Let's go to the outside of the circles, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the feet. From the inside, draw a straight line coming in. And we're going to curve this up and then in towards the ankle. Let's go to the outside, draw a straight line going out towards the tip of the foot. I'm going to bend this up and then down towards the outside. Let's add a thick stripe across the bottom. So we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, step up and draw that again. Now I'm going to go back up to the shin, draw another bolt going across the top. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the base of the shoulder, then the arm going out and then down towards the forearms. And then from here, bend this out and then up. Now just like we did with the legs, we'll step up, draw the outside of the arm going in behind the shoulders. And we'll add some texture inside with 2 curves. From the inside of the arm, I'm just going to curve this around and then down towards the wrist. Bend this up and then out. Let's go back up to the top. It's going to round up the side of the arm coming in towards the wrist. And then along the inside, we're going to add 1 more circle for the hinge. From the inside of the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Bend this all the way up and then out toward the wrist. Now from the bottom of the thumb, bend this up and then down towards the outside of the hands. Curve this up and in towards the wrist. Now I'm going to curl 3 fingers along the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve this down and up, step down, add another one, and then 1 more from the corner. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Metal Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.